How to change shipping rates in Shopify. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping rates in Shopify. Without further ado, let's get into it. First is to log in to your Shopify admin panel. Navigate the settings, and once you click on it, look for the panel indicated Shipping and Delivery. In shipping and delivery, we have all the different options available for shipping. We have local delivery options, shipping labels, and more. So, the first option to get is actually the general shipping rates. And this is where we can set up shipping rates. For that, you're going to click on this tab to modify. We can create more than one shipping rates for our store. It depends on our location, and it also depends on what kind of rates we want to go for. So we have domestic and we have international rates. Let's say you want to set up domestic rates. You're going to click on Add Rate right here and give your rate a name. Just enter the price for your shipping, and in my case, it's going to be this. Once you're all set, click Done, and the shipping price will be updated right away. Similarly, if you want to set up free shipping, it's the same process. You will click on Add Rates and you can just enter 0. That means it's going to be free shipping. Your shipping rates will be added on your Shopify store, and of course, these shipping rates will be shown to different products that you have in your store. And that's it. That is how you can change your shipping rates for Shopify. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.